the bustling city of New York, there lived a man named Gabriel, known affectionately by those close to him as the Quiet Seeker. Gabriel was an INTJ personality type, a rare combination of introversion, intuition, thinking, judging, and turbulence. He was often misunderstood by others due to his deep thoughts, unconventional ideas, and quiet demeanor. Despite his intelligence and sharp wit, Gabriel struggled to connect with people on a deeper level. Gabriel had always believed that love was a fleeting illusion, an emotion that eluded him in a world that moved too fast for his introspective nature. He immersed himself in books, art, and music, finding solace in the quiet corners of his mind. Yet, deep down, he longed for a connection that transcended words and understanding, a kindred spirit who would see beyond his facade. One crisp autumn day, Gabriel found himself wandering through Central Park, lost in thought as golden leaves danced around him. As he sat on a bench, lost in contemplation, a gentle voice interrupted his reverie. "Mind if I sit here?" a woman asked, her voice warm and inviting. Gabriel looked up to see a woman with kind, understanding eyes that seemed to see straight into his soul. They struck up a conversation, and Gabriel found himself opening up to her in a way he never had with anyone else. She listened intently to his musings, sharing her own thoughts and experiences in return. Time seemed to stand still as they delved into the depths of philosophy, art, and the human experience. Days turned into weeks, and Gabriel found himself falling for the woman in ways he never thought possible. She challenged his beliefs, encouraged his passions, and accepted him for who he truly was, quirks and all. In her presence, Gabriel felt seen, understood, and loved in a way he had never imagined. As the seasons changed and winter's chill settled over the city, Gabriel realized that he had found his soulmate in the most unexpected of places. Together, they embarked on a journey of self-discovery, love, and understanding, navigating the complexities of life hand in hand. And so, the Quiet Seeker's search for love led him to the most profound discovery of all, that in a world that often felt chaotic and indifferent, true love could be found in the quiet moments, shared with a kindred spirit who saw him for the beautiful soul he truly was.